I'm an ACS chemistry major with a bio minor. OmegaQuant started as a way for people to find out their omega-3 fatty acid blood content levels. They actually do at-home testing for vitamin D as well now, and they just started a PET test. They are very focused on prenatal care and how omega-3s and vitamin Ds can affect fetus development. They give you recommendations on what foods you should eat or avoid. They do research for, I've seen SeaWorld, I've seen Stanford. I am attempting to separate fatty acids from unwanted lipids like triglycerides, phospholipids, and cholesterols to cut down and streamline the process, because right now we can only run about 20 samples in a row before the column gets clogged up with junk. So right now I'm trying to just work on a purification system, I guess. I've been working on creating kits for their at-home omega-3 and vitamin D tests that they mail out, and you can mail back your blood spots and then we'll run the samples on them. I didn't realize that Sioux Falls, South Dakota had such a large biochemistry foundation. This network that we're creating is awesome. I've really enjoyed it here. I think I've found potentially my future career path. I'm going to be taking an instrumentation class and so many different things that I have just an edge up, I guess, now, and it's incredible the opportunity that I've been presented with.